hear ye, hear ye. Prepare thyself for the grand joust on the 15-minute battleground of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In this medieval melee, armored price knights clash for glory and gold. So don thy helmet and let the tourney begin. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,838, the highest tower of the keep. A break above signals the bulls have laid siege and gained a stronghold. Value area low, VAL, 6822, the last line of defense before the outer curtain wall. A breach invites a bearish invasion. Point of control, POC, 6830, the central hall where most of the day's feasting, trading, has taken place. Support, zone, 6,802 to 6,822, the outer defenses of the castle. Strong bids, loyal vassals, live here. Resistance zone, 6,838 to 6,854, the high ridge that must be conquered. A rally will need massive buying strength, a large army to scale. Single prints, escape, paths, lower, 6,817 to 6,821, a hidden oubliette. A quick dip here is ripe for responsive entries. A counter ambush, on reversion. Upper, 6,839 to 6,843, the king's secret passage. If the price darts through, follow the momentum of the royal procession. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD. Breakdown. Session. Open. CVD negative 1,961 contracts. The day started with a net negative ledger of transactions, a bearish omen. Intraday peak buying, CVD climbed only to negative 1961. A rather pathetic showing. The buyers were asleep at the gate, or they were the CVD at the first bar. Current CVD, negative 9,714. Net negative 7,753 from open, meaning the sellers, or tax collectors, have aggressively dominated the trading session and bled the market dry. Intraday low, CVD, low, negative 17,360, a full-scale panic and root of the buying forces at that moment. Interpretation, the CVD path is a trail of despair for the bulls, aggressive sell-side delta, entering and dominating the entire session. Any rally toward POC is likely a counterattack that will be repelled, unless a fresh brigade of buying knights arrives to push past VAH. Market context. Today, the Kingdom ES Futures is in a state of tense balance, with the bulk of trade value, VAL to VAH, centered around 6,830. The long-term CVD path suggests a sustained bear attack selling throughout the session, driving the POC slightly lower than the previous day. This is a day of consolidation, where the price is deciding whether to hold the low ground or launch a fresh assault on the higher battlements. The current structure is a clear balance profile. 3-day march through the kingdom. November 28th, POC 6833, VAL 6831, VAH 6864. The royal treasury was briefly held at higher levels. November 30th, POC 6858, VAL 6848, VAH 6864, a brief but powerful rally that saw value advance to a new high seat. December 1st, POC 6830, VAL 6802, VAH 6854. The crown jewels are contested. Value has fallen back to a more central but volatile region. Overall, the kingdom has shown weakness, with today's session POC dropping significantly from the November 30th peak. Acceptance below VAL 6822 opens the gates for a full retreat. Risk management considerations. Long trades, the loyalists. Entry zone near VAL 6,822, or the support zone 6,802 to 6,822. Stop loss. Below the single print floor at approximately 6,816, 6 points beneath VAL, defending the outer wall. Profit target. Initial target at POC, 6,830. Major target at VAH, 6,838. Short trades. The rebels. Entry zone. On rejection of VAH, 6,838, or breakdown through VAL, 6,822. Stop loss. Above V, A, H single print ceiling at approximately 6,844, 6 points above VAH, defending the keep. Profit target, POC for first partial, then VAL, and finally the support zone. Position sizing. Never commit more than a 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level. Minor swing low or high after first target. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. The glorious breakout. Acceptance above, VAH. The Knights of the Realm. Torch through the highest tower at 6,838 and hold the position. Setup. Enter long above 6,839, the SP upper bound, with stop at 6,830, POC. Target 6,854, daily high, on continuation. Scenario B. The siege, rejection at VAH. The rebel forces slam the price back down from 6,838 to 6,843, failing to hold the keep. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH, 6,838 to 6,843. Stop above 6,844, outer resistance. Target, POC, then VAL. Scenario C, the full retreat. Failure at VAL. The price breaches the final defensive wall at 6,822, signaling a complete loss of market control. Setup. Short a break, below 6,821. The SP lower bound. Stop above 6,828, recent swing high. Target 6,802, support low. Scenario D, the defensive stand, value bounce. Price dips into VAL, 6,822, or the SP lower zone, but finds fresh bids. Loyalists muster their forces. Setup. Long at 6,818, SP low end. Stop at 6,815. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.